kedu ihe na-eme na ọ na-abụ mmadụ mgbe mmadụ nọ n'ụwa mebi ọ na-ata afụfụ ma ọ mebi ihe na-esili ike ma mebi agụụ na-agụ ya ma mebi arụ na anwụ ya ama nwetanwu ego reasonable amount ọ ga-eji wee take care of onwe ya n'ụlọ ọgwụ take solve his or her problem mana immediately ọnwụ they will raise money that you get shocking if we go na-erezi for burial ya na night mkpu gịnị na-eme wee kọbụla onye a na ihe gbuli ihe ọbụla onwe 500,000 ọma nwụ ọbụla onwe 300,000 ọma nwụ mana ọnwa raise like 10 million for his or her burial. Why all these things is happening mostly na Igbo Akodian? So how can I educate every course here? I have seen it many places. I have seen it countless places. I've seen it many times. That's from recently. That somebody will come nobody will ask question. Nobody will care to know. Nobody will ask question. Nobody will help him or her. But immediately on, they will raise money for his burial. And that money I'm going to waste time or help them. After my for because of 250,000, I will go on. Within 24 hours, I raise 25 million. 1% of that money can lead you to 250,000. I want to 250, but I want to raise 25 million. Why? Why are we so heartless? Why are we like this? That our fellow human being get one problem, we issue. We can only need the counseling or believe nobody cares. But immediately on to bego, and they get 500,000, and they get 1 million, and they get 2 million, and they get 200,000, and they get 5 million. Can require. But nobody any longer 1 million on board and do we come home. Why? Why all these things is happening? Are we celebrating the dead more than the living? So that is enough now. We celebrate the dead more than the living. That's exactly what is happening. If not, why all these things is happening? We are celebrating the dead more than the living. If not, somebody gets in there 500,000. How about say we solve our problem? Nobody will give him the money. Or for the money. But no one raise 10 million require. So we are celebrating the dead more than the living. What can say cause this thing? What is the problem behind all those things? Can I cause here? How many years can we believe because you can but I'm not going to need the help of 2 million or 1 million more than the amount of raise 10 million, 20 million for the burial. Can I come in the buy?